Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check your Facebook watch history on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to see your Facebook watch history, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Facebook. And here you just have to click on your profile option at the top right corner. Just click on this, then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Now here you might see a this type interface. You just have to scroll down and just look for activity log. In your activity, you might see activity log. Just click on this, and here just look for videos you have watched. So you might get it here. Just click on this, and you will see all the videos you have watched on Facebook. So I have watched only these for videos just right now. So you might see all of your watch history from here, or you can also clear your video watch history. Just click on this clear video watch history, then click on clear option again. So it will clear your video watch history. Just refresh this page and your videos history will be cleared. So in this way, you can easily see your videos watch history on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.